Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is part 2 of this video. I didn't really like the squiggles that they had in the original or anything even close to that. So I suggest drawing a snowflake and putting snowflakes in there. And I stopped the video because I was getting too long. I'm trying to keep them a little less. So let's go to Windows, Dockers, and go down to Text, and text, insert characters. And I typed in wingding, and you don't have to type it in, it's always right there. We were using 2. I'm just using window or wingding regular, and I would think everybody has wingdings. And look at these, and you could very easily draw, and I've got several videos on how to draw a snowflake, but there's already snowflakes drawn. See if I can find it. Maybe I'm going too fast. You see there's a bunch of squiggles and arrows that you can't find anywhere else. And here we go. We're getting into, there ought to be a snowflake in here somewhere. There's a snowflake right there. And all you have to do is just drag it and carry it in. And there's your snowflake. And it's a good vector, clean. We'll do this, do the yellow box trick, and it's transparent, and you've got a snowflake, and you could change it, Control D, make a duplicate, put it somewhere else. Now, when you use Control D again, it's going to put it off the screen. So I've gotten in the habit of just hitting the plus sign on your keyboard. Hit the plus sign on your keyboard and it just makes a copy. Then you can hit the plus sign again. It doesn't move it. And you can make these smaller and have a bunch of them. Move them around to your heart's content. And you've got to think about, it doesn't have to be on the page. It could be a half of a snowflake just falling in. Now, it's going to engrave that piece and to possibly save you a little bit of wood. You could left click, right click, take your virtual segment delete key and delete these. Well, it is a text. So we have to go and convert it to a curve for the virtual segment delete key to work. And then you can take your Smart Fill tool and just be careful. It turned it into a hairline. So think about that. Let's see what our nudge distance is. It's 1/2 of an inch. That'll work. Turn that in, nudge it out of the way twice. Take your line and delete it. That way there's no way, because if we look, we'll left click fill, and there's no outline, and then just nudge it back. That'll save you a little bit of engraving time and wood, and you can have a couple of those. But that would be my suggestion. And you could have it, even in their name, because it's going to be part of the wood. Not sure I would do that, but it'd be worth a shot just to see. Maybe just have it in part of the name. Anyway, I hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.